In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is fully updated. So go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see that option. As soon as that's done, open up Instagram and tap on the search icon down towards like the bottom right by your profile icon. It's going to take you to the Explore page. And when you go ahead and search, it's going to search with Meta AI. You'll see like ask Meta anything. And as you can see, it says search with Meta AI right now. So if I go ahead and type in something, for example, I go ahead and say, college football 27. Since that game's getting revealed soon and I'm going to make a ton of videos on it when it comes out, I could search for it just like so. And as you can see, it's going to search with Meta AI up at the very top. I'm going to scroll down real quick so we don't get copyrighted for that trailer. If you want an image though, you could just search for something like draw me a flying dog and Meta AI will generate it for you. You can also tap the image, zoom in, and even use options like animate as well. It's pretty cool. But that's really the full process. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.